guys, this is me, Alfie from Alfie. Today we are doing a set called Jungle Raider, set number 71700. It's ages 7 plus. And have you got any facts about what's relevant making this topic? Haven't you? Tell yourself in the comments and I will think of some. I think you guys have to figure some Ninjago facts. What? But whatever, let's just go on the opening scene. How did you make this in the house? It has no bags at all. Look at it. Cut it all the way back here. Bag one. Bag one. So, time lapse time! Completed. You want to see its action? Oh, come on. Why are you just doing it for even start videoing it? Ah! Just kept helping you. And on our next video, we are doing a science experiment. What science experiment can we do on our next video? We have got, I want to do Alfie first. Let's get old. So we'll be doing a double experiment. And I will like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications on, and bye bye.